There's a YouTube channel pulling in millions of views per video. And here's the wild part. It only has 23 uploads but has already skyrocketed to over 4 million subscribers and 200 million views. The kind of videos this channel is uploading is deeply emotional. AI animated stories where a heroic dog steps in to rescue helpless, vulnerable animals. From lost kittens and injured lion cubs to stranded baby deer and more. These videos are cinematic, heart-pounding, and emotionally gripping, blending stunning visuals with powerful storytelling that keeps viewers watching all the way to the end. And the best part? These videos are created using completely free AI tools. In this video, I'm going to walk you through exactly how you can create this kind of content yourself, step by step. So make sure you watch this video all the way to the end so you don't miss any steps. Now let's dive in. The very first step in creating these viral animal rescue videos is coming up with a powerful, emotionally driven video idea. To make that super easy for you, I've put together a Google Doc with prompts you can use to generate unique and engaging story ideas, all built for this style of content. You'll find the link to the Google Doc down below in the description, so be sure to check it out. And hey, if you've made it this far into the video, do me a quick favor and hit that like button. It sends a strong signal to the YouTube algorithm to recommend this content to more creators like you. All right, let's dive back into the video. Head over to the Google Doc and copy the idea prompts. These prompts are specially designed to help you craft highly engaging, emotionally driven storylines that perform well on YouTube and Shorts. Next, head over to your favorite AI text generation tool. In this tutorial, we're using ChatGPT. Paste in the prompt you just copied. Then simply input how many video ideas you want the AI to generate. It could be 5, 10, or even 20. And hit enter. Within seconds, ChatGPT will give you a list of powerful, creative video ideas, each centered around emotional storytelling and viral rescue themes. Take your time and go through the list carefully. Look for an idea that catches your attention or sparks a unique twist you can build on. This method saves hours of brainstorming and helps ensure that your video is built around a proven, high-retention concept. Now that we have our video idea, the next step is to generate the scene or image prompts that will bring your story to life. Head back to the Google Doc one more time and copy the scene prompt. Then go back to ChatGPT and paste in that prompt. First, input the number of the video idea you chose. This helps tailor the scene prompt specifically to that story. Next, enter how many scene prompts you want to generate. For this tutorial, we'll keep it simple and go with 5. Then hit enter. And within seconds, ChatGPT will return a set of detailed, visually rich, and emotionally driven scene descriptions, perfect for creating our images. Now that we've got our scene prompts ready, it's time to start generating our images. And for this, we'll be using Google's ImageFX. First, head over to ImageFX, log in using your Google account, and once you're in, click on the Settings tab. Make sure to change the aspect ratio to 9:16, which is perfect for creating vertical videos for YouTube Shorts, TikTok, or Instagram Reels. Next, head back to ChatGPT. Copy your first scene prompt, then paste it directly into ImageFX and click Generate. The AI will now create 4 high-quality image variations based on your prompt. Take a moment to review the results. Choose the one that best fits your story and download it to your device. Now here's an important step. To keep your character design visually consistent across all the scenes, go back into Settings and click Lock Seed. This will help maintain continuity in character style and background throughout your animation. Let's test it out. Copy your second image prompt from ChatGPT, paste it into ImageFX, and hit Generate again. In just a few seconds, ImageFX delivers 4 more consistent images, maintaining the same look and feel as your first scene. Once again, choose your favorite and download it. From here, simply repeat the process for the remaining image prompts to complete your visual sequence. This method ensures all your scenes are cohesive, cinematic, and ready for animation. The next step is to animate our images into full motion videos, and for that, we're going to use Kling AI. First, head over to Kling AI, and if you don't already have an account, go ahead and create one. Once you're logged in, click the plus icon, then select Image to Video to open the animation interface. Now upload the first image you want to animate. Once the image is uploaded, you'll need a video animation prompt to guide the motion, camera movement, and mood of the clip. To generate this, go back to ChatGPT and ask it to give you simple animation prompts to animate our images into videos. Then hit Enter, and within seconds, ChatGPT will generate custom video prompts for each image you've created. Copy the video prompt for the image you're working on, then head back to Kling AI and paste the prompt into the animation field. Next, make sure the sound effects option is enabled to add immersive audio to your video. Next, click on Settings. If you're on a paid plan, select Professional Mode for higher quality output. If you're using the free plan, choose Standard Mode. Then select your desired video duration. You can go with 5 or 10 seconds, depending on how much motion you want. Then click Generate and Kling AI will begin animating your image into a fully dynamic AI-generated video. Once the animation is complete, go ahead and preview the result. The video has smooth motion, cinematic effects, and built-in sound design that really brings your scene to life. If you're happy with it, download the video to your device. Now repeat this process for all your other images to complete your animated short videos. The next step is to get background music to enhance the emotional tone of the video. And for that, we'll be using Suno. First, open Suno and sign up if you haven't already. Once you're logged in, click on the music icon to open the music creation dashboard. Since we want an instrumental track, something that supports the story without lyrics, make sure to select the instrumental option. Now we need the right music style to match the emotional energy and cinematic tone of our animated rescue story. For this, head over to ChatGPT and ask it to suggest a music style that fits your video's mood, then click Enter, and within seconds, ChatGPT will provide you with the perfect music style. Copy that music style, go back to Suno and paste it into the style field, then give your track a title, and click Create. In just a few seconds, Suno will generate 2 original instrumental tracks based on your chosen music style. Go ahead and preview both versions. Now choose the one that feels most emotionally aligned with your visuals, and then download the track to your device. The last step is bringing everything together with editing. And for this, we'll be using CapCut. Head over to CapCut, then click on New Project, and import all the animated video clips you generated earlier. Once they're in the timeline, click on Aspect Ratio and set it to 9:16, which is perfect for YouTube Shorts, TikTok, and Instagram Reels. Now go through each clip and stretch it to fill the entire frame. This helps remove any black edges or borders and keeps your video looking clean and professional. Next, let's add transitions between our clips. Click on Overlays or Transitions, and you'll see a wide selection of styles. Choose the one you prefer. Then click Apply to All to maintain a smooth, cohesive flow throughout your video. After that, import your AI-generated background music into the timeline. Trim any excess audio that goes beyond the length of your video, and lower the volume slightly so it complements your clip's natural sound effects without overpowering them. When you're done, be sure to watch the full video from start to finish to make sure everything feels seamless and emotionally impactful. If you're happy with the final cut, click Export, then increase your video resolution to 4K for the best visual quality and download the video to your device. Now let's take a look at our final result. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like the video, subscribe for more AI content creation guides, and drop your questions in the comment section.